the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, and so you gotta have.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. So I know it's been a really long time, but I was just occupied with a lot of things, and there were a lot of things that I had to figure out, but no worries. Let's start with our productive vlogs again. So currently I am pursuing a professional course, CPA, and also I'm working, so I have to take both of these things hand in hand. And also I am taking time for my body and my health, so I am regular into gymming. So this is my current scenario. So these are some of the big elements that take up my entire day. So yeah, let's start with this extremely productive study vlog, and I hope you love it. And if you want more such vlogs, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. So today I always wanted to have a big balcony with has lots and lots of plants, and I wanted to take care of them and get my positivity. So let me show you my new balcony with lots and lots of plants. ऑनेस्टली इस गार्डन को छोटा ऐसे प्लांटर गार्डन को बनाने में काफ़ी टाइम चला गया मेरा, बट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद स्टडिंग नाउ बिकॉज पढ़ाई सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट. So this is it for this vlog. I am back from my gym and now I'll start another day. So I hope you liked this vlog, and if you did, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.